Hello, it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. It's an early January, right in the middle of winter time, and my nails are looking pretty nasty. In the winter, my cuticles get really dry and peely, and it is most certainly not kawaii. I also got one of these things here, you know, when your nail like splits right at the bottom. Yeah, I've got that going on. It happens to me all the time, and I just said, you know what? Enough is enough. I need to take care of this, so I bought a little something. So there is an absolutely adorable nail studio in Austin that May and I went to long before the pandemic happened, and it is the Cute Nail Studio. So as you can tell, I have a box from them, and the box is full of goodies that will help transform my nails from crusted and busted to hopefully cute and well taken care of. So a little bit about the Cute Nail Studio. Like I mentioned, May and I went there, I think it was probably right after the first of the year in 2020, or maybe at the end of 2019. I can't remember, it's been so long. Anyway, so we went. The outside of the building is painted rainbow, everything is decorated really colorfully. It is the cutest thing you've ever seen. So we got all dressed up in like pastel kawaii outfits and we went to get our nails done. The service was amazing. I'll put in some pictures of the nails I got done right over here. They were incredible, and we had planned on going back right before we were supposed to go to Japan last year so that our nails could be cute and perfect for visiting Harajuku. And then the pandemic hit and we could no longer go, and we've been lamenting about it ever since, so I thought it would be really fun to get a box from them to sort of make up for not being able to go there in person, and also take care of my pathetic nails. So in today's video, I will be unboxing this haul from Cute Nail Studio and showing you the products, how I like them. I haven't used any of these personally before, so this is also first impressions. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. And if you like what you're watching while you're watching it, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Hi Ollie, are you gonna help us today? He knows there's a box involved, so we had to come by and make sure things were going well. Thank you. I think I can take it from here though, sweetie. So I've got you zoomed out a little bit, and I'm going to crack right into this. Perfect. Now I ordered this a little bit ago, and it's just been sitting around waiting for me to open it. It was so hard not to pop it open and look at what was inside right away. I can be smarter than the box. Okay, here we go. So just going to pop this open. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you this without spilling it all out. But it's got some cute pink fluff in there, and we've got this, oh my gosh, such cute stickers. We've got some adorable little stickers here. Save those for later. Let me pull out some of this fluff and see what we've got. Okay. Oh, this is nice and heavy. Okay, here we have the Cute Rose Quartz Body Scrub. How nice that looks. Camera's focusing there. This is really heavy. This is like glass. All right, I'm already really impressed. The packaging is adorable. I love the label. I'm a sucker for packaging. Let me rummage around in here some more. Okay, next we have the Cute Rose Quartz Cuticle Oil. Okay, yeah, I definitely need this. So this is just a little Cuticle Oil Pen. And I should mention that all of these are part of their subscription box setup that they have. This is themed around rose quartz, so all the products are going to be called rose quartz and probably have the same scent and also a nice pink color. Next, it looks like this is in its own little baggie here. Oh, it's a hand sanitizer. Okay, so this comes in its own like little bag. Get into this. The box smells really good from the products coming out of it. I love the scent. Right, so we have the Rose Quartz hand sanitizer. And it has like glitter in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see through the camera, but it does have little flecks of pink glitter in it. And there's like a little shaker ball in the bottom too. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Can never have too much hand sanitizer in these days. Okay, and looks like the last thing here is a polish from them. This is in the shade All Is Full of Love. How cute. It's like a sparkly peach color. Actually, that'll go perfect with what I'm wearing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have our little assortment of items here that came in the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick demo on all of these just so I can get a first impression and let you guys know how it is in case you would want to get some of these things for yourself. So the first thing I want to take a look at here is the hand sanitizer. Now, this is usually what I use right here. It's just, you know, your Kroger brand hand sanitizer. So this is already much cuter than what the option has been previously, which I'm a big fan of. If I can make anything that I use every day, even just a little bit cuter, I'm gonna do it. So it has a little shaker ball. Y'all can probably hear that, so I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, move the glitter around. I'm so excited about the glitter. Pop it open. Ooh, it smells really good. What is that? Lots of fruit extracts. It's got cranberry, blueberry, strawberry, kiwi, jojoba oil. All right, just gonna go ahead and get some on my palm. Yeah, that smells amazing. Wow, way better than that just generic alcohol smell that I get with my Kroger brand sanitizer. And I love the packaging. It's also like a nice glass. This is nice and heavy. And if you ran out of this and you wanted to refill something into it, it looks like it would be really easy to do that, so you could reuse it as well. And moving right along to the body scrub here, I'm really excited about this. The body scrub that I have been using is from Lush. Their Rub 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 shower scrub. This gets so messy. It's one thing I don't like about it. So I've just been using this. As you can see, I'm almost out. So this could not have arrived at a better time. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and compare these two just on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, there's rose quartz in here. There's like a literal actual rose quartz here on the top of this and some little stars. Oh my gosh. And the body butter itself is like full of glitter. Okay, I'm already a much bigger fan of this compared to what I was using before. Rose quartz is my favorite crystal, so this could not be more perfect for me. All right, I'm gonna roll up my sleeves here really quick. And just to do a quick demo on myself to see how they compare, I'm gonna take like the tiniest little bit out of my Lush scrub, so just a little guy like this, and I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand just to get a nice feeling comparison. So the Lush body scrub is very like coarse, and the mixture that the little scrubby crystals are in is kind of like an oily texture. You can see it's like very shiny. All right, so afterwards, it did make my hand a little red just because of how intense the crystals are. It does feel soft, but like a little oily as well, so I'm going to remember that. All right, so going into, oh, that texture, oh my gosh. So this really weirdly reminds me of something specific. It reminds me of the strawberry butter that they have at the Neiman Marcus cafe. God, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand here. Oh, that is buttery. That is so nice. Oh my gosh. So I definitely still feel the crystals. I was worried that since I have been used to such an intense scrub with the Lush body scrub, that getting something like this wouldn't work as hard, I guess. But I definitely still feel the crystals scrubbing. But because the mixture it's suspended in is like really nice and creamy, it kind of coats the crystals a little more, so it's not as abrasive on the back of my hand, which I really like compared to the Lush scrub. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, I'll try to show you, but there is glitter, of course. And I love that. I know a lot of people are not a fan of glitter, but I love glitter, so I'm really a fan of this so far as well. I can't wait to use it up and try another flavor. Up next, I will be trying the Cuticle Oil Pen. I love that it's in pen form. The one that I've been using is just from the drugstore. It's in like a classic little nail polish bottle, and I really love that this is a pen, so I don't have to keep like dipping back and forth or like, you know, dripping oil on wherever I'm set up doing my nails. So I love the form that it's in. I love the packaging. I can see more pink glitter inside of this, which I love. So I will zoom you guys in on my busted up nails and do a quick application of the cuticle oil. Alrighty, so I'm just rubbing the cuticle oil in a little bit, and it feels so nice. My cuticles look amazing. They look really nice and soft and moisturized and not like scraggly with a bunch of like little skin peels flaking off like they were before. And I can faintly see the little pink glitter that's in the cuticle oil as well. And I really wish you could smell this scent through the camera. It smells so nice. It's like a subtle fruity scent. So if you put this on before you go out, you won't need perfume because your nails will smell good. And finally, the last item from the box that I will be testing is the polish itself. Now off camera, I did apply just a clear base coat to my nails. The one that I have in my drawer right now is the Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat. I don't know if this is, you know, especially any good. I usually just grab whatever I see first at the grocery store. So I will zoom you guys back in, give you a close-up of me applying the polish. Hopefully I don't do a really messy job now that you're watching me. I'll probably do 2 coats of this just because I want the glitter to be nice and opaque, and then I will show you the finished result when I'm done. I think these are dry enough. As I showed you, I did 2 coats, and this is the finished product here. It's a little more neutral than I thought the color would be just based on what is in the bottle here, but I am not mad at all. I think this is a really nice wearable color, and look at how like reflective it is even from a distance. But I think it is really wearable. I'm excited to keep wearing it. I think that this would even be really nice over like the pink that I usually wear, just to add some extra sparkle. And I am also very impressed, and I really love this product as well. So I did get a couple more items that are not nail related, and actually I'm just realizing that one of the last videos I filmed was nail polish related as well. I'll link it up above. It is a video on how to refurbish your Lolita shoes using nail polish. So enough about nail polish. I want to show you these absolutely adorable earrings that I got myself. They're a pair of earrings. This one says cute and this one says cult, and they're super dangly and cute, and they definitely let you know that I am part of the cute cult. And you should be too. I love that they bring a pop of several different colors to any outfit I will wear. I love that they say different words, and these are on their website as well. You can get them in different combinations, so they can both say cute, they can both say cult, and I think these are super fun, and I love that they're also handmade and they support a small business. So if you would also like to be a part of the cute cult, definitely check these out on their website. I highly recommend them. And I did also get one other non-nail polish related item, and that is this super cute tote bag. I always like to bring stuff with me whenever I go over to May's house when we hang out, and usually the bags that I've had before are just not big enough for all the stuff I want to bring. I usually bring my Switch, I bring my necessities like my wallet and my phone, sometimes I'll bring snacks, I'll bring my asthma inhaler and other medications for my little weenie body, and there's just too much stuff, not enough space. However, this bag I think is a perfect size. I could also take this to the grocery store if that were safe to do during the pandemic, and use it for a reusable grocery bag. It has two handles, and then it also has a long like shoulder strap as well that's adjustable, and there is also a little phone pouch on the inside, and it does zip closed. I love how simple it is, but I love the pastel colors. I think it looks really cute with all my outfits, and I'm really happy I got it. So I think that is going to wrap up the video for today, guys. I really can't recommend Cute Nail Studio enough. And like I said, I am so upset that our trip to Japan got canceled last year, and so then our trip to Cute Nail Studio before Japan had to be canceled as well. Man, I can't wait to go back. They do have other services there besides just getting your nails done. They offer lash extensions, which I would personally love to try when I go back. That's like the number one thing I want to try. They offer skin services, they have body services, and they also do tattoos on site as well. They are also a small business, so if you would like to try some new nail polishes and skin products, or grab yourself some cute new earrings, definitely consider supporting them and supporting the people that work for them as well. I will have their website linked below. Please go check it out. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for spending some time with me on my channel today. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy the rest of yours as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!